Oh, she's back.
What's she got in her hand this time? She's come with berries.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can trade with her.
Oh, you can? Oh, that's cool.
Can I put the... I can give the GPS locator to her. Oh, that did
What's she gonna
something.
do with that? Huh.
Oh no, because you can track where she is.
Oh, maybe she can lead us just to...
Oh, she just gave us the berries.
Hooray. Progress.
Yes! I can follow my girlfriend. Not controlling at all. She's gone in the fucking house. She's fucking... Get in there and make me a sandwich, bitch.
That's a quick relationship you got, bro.
Yeah, we don't technically married.
Yeah, it's like, I can't get GPS located, now we're married.
Come in here. She's fucking on the floor.
What, really?